Hey everybody, it's Doug Rucker with Doug Rucker Store and Pressure Cleaning School, and gonna do a quick little video. This is an HPC 18-inch floater surface cleaner, and we've got it on sale right now for $235. Just go to our website, you can order it. I've already tested it a couple of times. Actually had a customer here a little while ago that we tested it, and just thought I'd shoot a quick little video of showing it run. This is a great entry-level surface cleaner. It's very light, very easy to carry around. Does a great job of cleaning. Again, it's 18-inch, 2 nozzles. It's got the 250-25 nozzles in it, I believe. And so let me fire my machine up, and we'll give you a little tester here and show you. This is a 5 gallon per minute machine that I'm using, and it's 3,500 PSI. So pretty confident that even if we use 4 gallon per minute, this machine's gonna, this little surface cleaner's gonna clean just fine. I'm doing this in the dirtiest part of this concrete right in front of our office, and I'm pretty impressed with it. I think it's a great little surface cleaner for entry level. $235. Even if you get a season or two out of it, you're gonna more than make up your money on it. So you need a surface cleaner, and you want one that's a good brand. Does a good job. So again, that's the HPC brand. We've got it on sale through January 16th for $235. So if you're interested, just go to DougRuckerStore.com. It's on the website, and you can see how great that thing cleans. Some pretty dirty, nasty concrete. So again, DougRuckerStore.com, PressureCleaningSchool.com for any of your training, online video school. We got our difference maker classes coming up February 8th and 9th. So go to PressureCleaningSchool.com for any training needs that you need, or any of your equipment. DougRuckerStore.com. Thanks, guys. Y'all have a great weekend.